Hello, John with Traveler's Farm. Got a quick video today.
First thing to note, their shipping department is kind of not very efficient unless they're just out of boxes. Okay, once everything's connected, you'll press the start button twice. That'll get you into let everything boot up. And once you're there, press this down button until you get to the audio menu. From there, hold the left button. The cancel button will scroll through all the different menu items. If you want to enter into one, press the cruise control button. And there's a lot of videos that shows way more than I know about this at this point. So that's all I have for you today. Okay, so that's all I have for you today. Just a quick intro to the Tazer. Not as hard to put in as well I've seen a lot of people say. And as far as setting the menu items, got a lot to learn on that. So I think I'll go try it out. Thanks for watching.